In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 finance apps to help you save you money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Money management isn't the most straightforward task. It can be a little challenging to keep track of expenses and the bank balance since that many of us don't balance a checkbook anymore. You can track your expenditure with the use of personal finance applications that can link to your bank account. These apps can help you keep track of upcoming bill payments, identify your most frequent spending categories, as well as your credit score and investment portfolio. Simple budgeting tools often link to your financial accounts, keep tabs on spending, and group expenses into categories so you can see where your money is going. Many apps are capable of this and far more. Here's the list of top 5 finance apps to help you save you money. So let's start. Number 5. Mint, for just about everything. Let's start with Mint's extremely positive reviews on Google Play and the App Store. It has also received by far the most reviews of any software we examined. It syncs numerous types of accounts for free, including credit cards, loans, investments, and bank and savings accounts. In terms of budgeting, Mint keeps track of your expenses and categorizes them. These categories, which are infinite, can be customized. You can specify upper and lower bounds for these categories, and Mint will alert you when you're getting close to them. Along with these budgeting tools, Mint also offers Mintsights, which can be used to track objectives, increase savings, and pay off debt. The software also displays the user's net worth and credit score. Bonus: Mint offers comprehensive FAQs as well as a ton of help for using the app. One of the many outstanding features of Mint is that it keeps track of practically everything for you. But if you want to budget more actively and directly, that might not be the best option. Other applications on our list might suit your needs better if you're looking for an app that helps you manage your finances in advance rather than just track them after the fact. Number 4. In-app, for hands-on zero-based budgeting. Instead of tracking past purchases, this software encourages users to make financial decisions in the future. With the zero-based budgeting method, which in-app uses, you must create a plan for each dollar you earn. You tell in-app how much of your income should go toward other categories, such as costs, goals, and savings, as soon as you receive payment. The theory behind this is that when you're forced to actively choose what to do with your money, you become more intentional with it. In-app is as hands-on as it gets with all of this decision making. The in-app website provides a wealth of instructional tools that detail exactly how to budget and utilize the app in order to assist users in navigating that learning curve. You may link your credit cards, loans, checking and savings accounts, and more with YNAB. The app is compatible with Alexa, iPad, Apple Watch, desktop, and phone. To maintain in-app, you need to be dedicated. It is intended to function best for those who prefer to be hands-on while making financial plans. Additionally, compared to the other apps on our list, its price is exorbitant. Although you can test it out for a free 34-day trial, you must pay either $15 per month or $99 per year. For 1 year, in-app is free to use for college students. Number 3. Good Budget, for hands-on envelope budgeting. Good Budget focuses more on financial planning than transaction tracking. This program is based on the envelope budgeting method, in which you allocate particular expenditure categories a portion of your monthly income, called envelopes. Your bank accounts are not connected to this app. You manually enter cash amounts, debts, income, and account balances, which you can retrieve from your bank's website. Then you allocate funds for the envelopes. Both the web and your phone can be used to access the app. You can use the app with the help of a lot of articles and videos that are available. A limited number of envelopes, 2 accounts, and 2 devices are available in Good Budget's free edition. Good Budget Plus, the paid version, offers additional benefits including limitless envelopes and accounts, up to 5 devices, and more. Every expense must be entered because financial accounts cannot be synced. The app probably won't work for you if you're not willing to put in the effort. Number 2. Every Dollar, for simple zero-based budgeting. Compared to an app, this program provides a simpler, and possibly easier to handle, zero-based budgeting approach. Let's start with Every Dollar's easy free version. Instead of manually entering incoming and outgoing funds throughout the month, accounts are not synced. Additionally, you categorize budget line items and set bill paying reminders. You can link to your bank account and use such capabilities in Every Dollar's premium, paid version. Your purchases automatically show up in the app, which also offers recommendations and personalized reports depending on your behaviors. Additionally, you can link your investing and savings accounts. Every Dollar's free version is somewhat basic, while its premium version is quite expensive. Additionally, there aren't many resources on the app's website that can be used to learn how to use it before you sign up for a trial. Its overall Google Play rating has just dropped from 4 to 3.5. Number 1. Personal Capital, for tracking wealth and spending. Although Personal Capital's free app has features that are beneficial for budgeters trying to track their expenditure, it is primarily a tool for investors. Checking, savings, and credit card accounts, as well as IRAs, 401(k)s, mortgages, and loans, can all be connected to and tracked. The app shows a snapshot of recent purchases by categorizing them. You can edit those categories and see what proportion of your monthly spending each one accounts for. In addition, Personal Capital offers a portfolio and net worth tracker. Both a phone and a computer can access the app. If your objective is to budget your expenditures and save, you might want to choose a different path. Although the budgeting functions of this program helped it make the list, its investment options are what set it apart. Other apps offer more detailed budgeting features. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.